If you are looking for a super powerful blender, let me show you the Topzee blender. Now, I was just gifted this for a review and I accepted because it has extremely great reviews, and this is a 1,000-watt motor with 6 blades that are stainless steel and should easily make my smoothies and are powerful enough to grind up ice. Let's check it out and put it to the test. Now here's what you get when you open up the box. You get the manual and the recipe book. And then you get your 24-ounce cup. It has measurements along the sides, and I love that they make it clear that this is Tritan plastic. It's FDA approved for babies. It's BPA-free. It's one of the best plastics out there. And this can handle temperatures from -20 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. As for the lid, that is where your 6 stainless steel blades are, and they're spun by this rotary piece right here on the bottom. And this has a good seal through the edges. It is a single piece, very easy to clean. I appreciate that. You also have a travel lid for your cup if you want to take this with you. It is a very large cup, but I could see carrying this around. And finally, you get the Topzee blender itself, very clean. You can see where the rotor hooks in right there. It has about a 2-foot cord, not grounded, so you don't have too much distance, but on a countertop, that should be plenty. And it's nice not to have long cords for countertop appliances. And on the bottom, it has these little suction feet, so it won't wiggle around while it's blending. And they do hold on really nicely and come off just as easily. Now this does have a different design than other personal blenders I'm used to, in that it doesn't have any buttons at all to turn it on or off. All you do is either take your cup and put it in and push down, and it will blend while it's pushed down. Or if you want to walk away, you can lock it in place and that'll keep it pushed down, and it'll just keep blending till you pop it back out of place. So 2 ways to blend. Now I'm first going to add some water, as I just want to test the decibels on this, and then I'm gonna check it with some ice. Now I've just added water, and I am only doing water right now because I just want to test how loud this is. And I'm going to use my watch over here a little bit, about 1.5 feet away, as that is where my ears are distance to this if I was holding it down. And that's really what I want to know, is how loud is it where my ears are. Obviously it'd be louder if I tested right next to the device. So first off, I just want to see how it is when I push down. That's a lot of power. Let me lock it into place so I can check the decibels. So it is quite loud. It is 89 decibels with just water, so it's not even breaking up anything like ice, but you can see the power. This is going to really blend. Let me add some ice and see how that goes. Now, one challenge with just blending ice is that they are solids, but they do break down really quickly, and I have no concerns that this blender is gonna grind this all down. So let's see how quickly it does it. I didn't just make ice, I made snow. That was 24 seconds. I did not need to grind it that long, as that is so fine. It's already been ground down into the little granules and then actually recompacted into almost like snowballs. That is exceptionally impressive. This is an extremely powerful blender. I am incredibly impressed at how well it works. And I do love that you can blend anything in this, your marinade, your soup, your smoothie, and then you can use it directly out of this cup. You can even take this cup with you on the go and add the drink lid. It is a little large for a cup. It is a big grip cup, but it's not too bad. I really am impressed that I have that option with this, and exceptionally impressed with how well it grinds down ice. It has a lot of power. The Topzee blender.